Dear dentist friends, good evening. Welcome to the Woodpecker 2022 new product launch event. I'm Scott, the speaker of today. The topic of our launch event is Go Smarter. In 2017, we launched our first endo motor. Then we started our journey of endodontic of Woodpecker. In 2019, we launched the brushless endo motor, which brought more accurate and efficient root canal treatment to dentists with its smallest control angle and quiet motor. In 2021, the Yuxi air motor, jointly developed with international endodontist Professor Yuxi, was launched. The smart ledge bypassing mode, T mode, makes it easier for dentist friends to bypass the ledge and the lateral root canals. So over the years, we have never stopped pursuing a better endo motor. Today, it is my great honor to be here to bring you all the latest endo motor of Woodpecker, Smart A. So first, we are going to show you the exterior design of Smart A, inspired by the shape and color design from supercars. Right now, we have two colors optional. First is the lava orange, and you could see over here. And the second one is snow white. The elegant and flexible design makes Smart A not only an equipment in your hand, but also a stylish piece in your clinic. Then let's go to the handpiece part. As you could see over here, the handpiece is only 17 millimeters in minimum diameter, making it very easy to hold and operate. Above this small handpiece is a 6:1 control angle, which is one piece ultra mini and insulated. Compared to the Morita, which is also insulated control angle, Smart A is 12.5% less in diameter and 18% less in height. In addition, it is 360-degree rotatable to facilitate root canal treatment at special tooth positions. The control angle is coated with special material, which enabling integrated apex locator function without a silicon sleeve. Compact but powerful, Smart A is equipped with a high-performance brushless motor, and it is 10 times the service life of brush motor. Stable cutting can still be ensured at a narrow or curved apex, reduce the risk of instrument separation, and improve preparation efficiency. Thanks to this high-performance brush motor, Smart A is quieter in operation. As you could see from this chart, the noise is reduced by 30% than brush motor. Also, it contributes to precise rotation of Smart A, accurately rotated at every degree. So the rotation angle is adjustable with an interval of 10 degrees in reciprocating mode. You may have noticed that with Smart A, there is no screen, especially when we are using apex locator function, because Smart A's intelligent features is never limited to a smart OLED screen. So here, the first solution is like we have an optional smartwatch that allows doctor to control the Smart A. With the smartwatch, you can customize file system, you can change the setting, you can have display root canal preparation status in real time, and etc. Besides that, the smartwatch is not the only option. Also, your mobile phones and iPad can all be smart display screen of Smart A via wireless connection. So let me show you this truly smart motor from a Smart A application scenario. Okay, so first, you see if you have more than one dentist in your clinic, that you could see you can log into the app with different accounts, and you can see different personalized content, just like this. And after logging into your account, you can perform file editing, parameter adjustment, and working process display on this intelligent device. Besides, according to the data, there are currently more than 242 file systems worldwide. It is very complicated for doctors to adjust between different file systems. Smart A can record the fourth file system you have used the most, so it is very easy to switch between the most used file system. If you need to customize the file parameters yourself and rename the file, this is also available with Smart A, just like this. What's more, you could see over here, with Smart A, you can even combine files from different brands. You can combine files from A brand and files from B brand to make your own sequence. You can also choose the required cavity access file, glide path file, shipping file, or retreatment file, or define the name of the file system by yourself. That would be so interesting. This feature is perfect for the doctors with a strong need of personalization, just like this. So with everything set up, let's get to work. Press the button, the machine can be started. But we also have a simpler way. Hi Vivi, start the motor. Through the voice commands, we can also directly change the file working status, such as start the motor, speed 300, next file, stop the motor. Isn't it very convenient? And for the power button, it also becomes a light indicator for real-time torque. The power indicator can flash in 4 different colors, as you could see over here, to indicate the different status of torque. After the treatment every time, the Smart A will automatically generate a treatment report, in which we record the start time, the treatment duration, and the file used of the patient's last treatment. By clicking on the torque curve, you can also see how many times you reach the preset torque and how long you use it over 75% of your preset torque. In addition, the patient's basic information, treated teeth, canal type, and canal length, file type used, GP coin, can also be recorded on the software. The patient's treatment records can be established through your smart device, which facilitates the doctor's organization and collection of cases. Of course, in terms of strict control of data collection, all the data of patients are strictly kept confidential. Let us show you the intelligent treatment using Smart A in a video. So additionally, about the function part, you could see over here, we have two very special modes, BB mode and LB mode, which is block bypass and light bypass. So let us go one by one. The first one is BB mode. BB is abbreviation of block bypass. Sometimes there is dentin debris or pump residue blocking the apex. This rotation with up and down motion can bypass the block. In BB mode, file moves continuously at an angle of 90 degrees with 1 second interval between each movement to bypass the block. And the second one is LB mode. LB is abbreviation of light bypass. There are many reasons for light formation. We need to bypass this light to locate the original root canal. First, make the pre-band file bypass the light. Once the light is bypassed, we start the switch again to adjust to continuous motion state. Besides, we also have some features to facilitate your daily practice. So the first thing is about the wireless foot pedal. You could see the device can be started and stopped by a wireless foot pedal, which is very convenient for doctors to use that. Besides that, Smart A features magnetic absorption charging, which makes charging safer and more convenient. And also, you could see the base over here. The base also acts as a power bank, which can charge the handpiece. We put a 4,000 milliamp hours battery inside to make it a very big power bank for the handpiece. The charging port adopts the Type-C interface, so there is no need to worry about the trouble finding the adapter when charging. Let's take a look at Smart A's promotional video.